This is a very old TurboTax file, pre-2000s. Finding software to open a return this old is extremely difficult. Paper records are usually your only backup here. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's discuss archives. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky TAX errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. The TAX is digitally recognized globally as belonging to the data file family. It maintains compatibility through the TurboTax Preparation File standard. A TAX file is a data file. The specific software and purpose associated with a TAX file can vary, but it commonly relates to tax preparation or financial software. These files typically store tax-related data, such as income, deductions, and other financial information used for filing tax returns. The design rules for TAX files depend on the specific software that creates and uses them. Generally, they adhere to a structured format to store financial data in an organized manner. Encryption or other security measures may be implemented to protect sensitive taxpayer information. Data validation is crucial to ensure accuracy. The native handling utility for TAX files is Intuit Quicken by Quicken. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows offers a limited snapshot, while accurate reading requires the original data handling software. The problem is often a missing file association. Right-click the TAX file and choose Open With. Start with Intuit. Quicken if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you still cannot open your TAX file, that is okay. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this TAX file is failing to load. First, identify the year. Determine the tax year the file relates to, e.g. Tax 2024, and open it using that specific tax preparation software version. Next, check for corruption. Check for a corresponding back file in the same directory and try restoring the backup copy. Finally, convert to PDF. If the program is unavailable, access your tax service website to download the official PDF copy of the return. If resource-limited software proved insufficient, the TAX file now requires a final authorized option. The specialized tool is the essential next step to try. The quickest solution is to install FileMagick. It opens hundreds of TAX formats and is available right now at filemagick.com. We appreciate your engagement here. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.